So, how to use the crosshairs? Install it from the tool manager. As you can see, I have already installed it, so I'm not going to worry for that. So, then inside Starbucks and prefabs, you will see two prefabs for either a cross pattern or a triangle. You can also create your own shapes with the crosshair. Let's see the cross right now. I already have one prefab, so let me delete the old one. And as you can see, the crosshair and its parts are here. Each part of this is assigned inside the crosshair script, where we assign the parts and an offset value that we're going to be using to spread them apart, basically. Okay, then by script, all you need to do is basically just call the add spread value to this. Okay, so it's basically this. To give you an example, on my script where I actually have my shoot logic, okay, I have a spread kick from my current weapon, and I'm basically just calling the add spread of the crosshair. There is two ways you can update this. You can either run it through tick, or you can just tick independent update, and it will be it's not going to be necessary for the to actually run the tick by yourself. That's if you want to have more control over it. Okay, so let's say I want to use the triangle crosshair. Just parent it under the canvas. As you can see, I have already set this up, and we can click play and we can move. Yeah, we forgot to assign the group. Okay, never mind that. It was from one of my scripts, so don't worry about that. So click play, and you can see we now have the crosshair. I also have the mouse input to be adding spread, so when I rotate, it will go like that. And of course, when we shoot, we actually add more onto our crosshair. So that's how to use the crosshair from the tool manager. Again, you can find this through my site. Just click here and download.